production. The subject name is automation in production. Is automation in production system. Automation in production. Automation is one, and production system is the another part. The first part is the automation. Automation, the proper definition of the automation. Automation is a technology concerned with the application of materials, electronics, and computer-based system, and to control and operate production. So these are the three applications is very much essential for the purpose of the automation. First application is the material. Material is very much essential for the purpose of without material it can't possible for the automation. Second application of the automation is the electronics. Electronics that means electricity. So we don't run the machineries without electricity. So therefore, and third application of the automation is the computer system. Computer is also required for the purpose of the automation. This is the proper definition of the automation. That is, automation is the technology concerned with the application of material, electronics, and computer-based system, and to operate and control the production. So these are the three applications very much required for the purpose of the automation. Second part of the automation is the production system. Production system. What about the production system? So therefore, in that production system is also divided into the two main parts, two main categories. First is the manufacturing support system. Manufacturing support system, and second part of the production system is the facilities. So first part of the production system is the manufacturing support system. So in that manufacturing support system, we have to solve the logical problem as well as the technical problem. So which is the logical problem which you have to solve? To solve the problem of the labor problem, to solve the problem of the material. So we have to availability of the material. So such a problem which you have to solve. So these are the logical problem as well as the technical problem. That means to solve the problem of the electricity. Okay. So these are the technical problems. To solve the problem of the machine, to solve the problem of the to prepare the design of the parts. So such a problem which you have to solve. So in that, so that is called as the manufacturing support system. And second part of the production system is also called as the facilities. So facilities, which type of facilities which you have to available? Factories. Factory is very much essential. Factory is Factory is very much essential for the purpose of the production system. Okay, without factory, it can't producing the parts. And second one is the equipment. Equipment is also essential for the purpose of the production system. And this complete is also called as the production system. Complete is also called as the production system. Right. Let us come. Vehicle guidance technology. Vehicle guidance technology. So vehicle guidance technology. So in that, so we have to use the vehicle AGV vehicle are generally used to define the pathways. So vehicle guidance technology which is also divided in the first one is the embedded guided wire. Embedded guided wire. Second one is the paid strip, and third one is the self-operated vehicle. First is the embedded guided wire. So in that, so these are the technology are generally used to define the pathways of the AGV vehicle. AGV, that is automated guided. AGVS, that is automated guided vehicle system. So this is the automated guided vehicle system. this is the AGV vehicle. So therefore, and so these are the wheel of the vehicles, AGV vehicle, AGV vehicle. So in that it consists of the guide wire. These are the guide wire, and these are the circuit of that. Okay, so how embedded guided wire? So this is also one of the technology are generally used to define the pathways of the AGV vehicle, automated guided vehicle. So how? First of all, we have to face the channel. First of all, we have to cut the channel of the flow. So how much cut the channel of the flow? So the typically the channel of the flow which is cut. So 5 to 12 mm, 5 to 12 centimeter width and 13 to 26 centimeter deep. First of all, we have to cut the channel of the floor. So after cut the channel of the floor, then we have to place the guide wire. So this is also called as the guide wire. Okay. And this guide wire which also connected to the frequency generator. This guide wire which also connected to the frequency generator. So after the guide wire which also connected to the frequency generator, and then to generate the frequency. So frequency which also be generated. So how much frequency which also be generated? So around 15 kilohertz frequency which also be generated. Okay, and this frequency which after generate the frequency that will use the magnetic field. So this is also called as the magnetic field. So after generating the magnetic field, then to proceed the vehicle in the front directions. So after proceed the vehicle in the front direction, so already, so in that, this is also one of the technology are generally used to define the pathway. This is the pathways are, so this is the guide wire and frequency. So this is also called as the, this is also called as the define the pathways. So these we have to use the defined pathways and then proceed the vehicle in the front direction, and then we have to handle the material from one place to the another place in the any industries. Okay. That second one is the paint strip. So this is also called as the paint strip. So paint are spreaded or painted on the floors. Okay. So paint are spreaded or painted on the floors in any industry. So this paint strip is called as the defined pathways. So our AGV vehicle, automated guided vehicle, which also moving. So already the sensor which also be inbuilt in that vehicle, and to after track the paint strip, then to proceed the vehicle in the front direction. Suppose any obstacle which also found suddenly to found in front of the vehicle. Suddenly, at that time, the vehicle is stopped, and after remove the obstacle, then we proceed the vehicle in the front direction. So in that, so this is also one of the this is the second technology. This is called the pin strip. Pin strip are generally used to define the pathways and then to proceed the vehicle and then to handle the material from one place to the another place in the industry. Third part is called as the self-guided vehicles. This is the third technology. So in that third technology, we don't use the defined pathways. The AGV vehicles which are moving here and there in industries. So without using the pathways. So these are the three technologies are generally used. So that technology